아니 다보데려야 비 엔엔저라 게임을 먹으시니까 가르쳐 손스케도 정리스.
엘레를 가좀 어떤 많이라 티벳 그 티벳 제도 돌아 아마도 이자만 보통 드네 다다 드네 다 로지만 붙지 그래서 under patching 드네
2 days we given information to the public, a book and some other information about the issue.
그래서 대 아메리카 메모다 로라이너리 메모도 빼마서 야부터
The American people or students or lay people is very nice people.
드네 진짜라 강아들이 체대 받은 아저기 드네 다다마도 학과마서 드네 주로 들어가서 그룹과 같이 했더랬어. 현이들은 뭐도
Many of came asking said we never heard that before. We never thought of us you had that much suffering or difficulty. Is there anything that we can do help and solve the problems?
드네 배바 차긴도 드네 제기 드네 배바 trabaja긴도 저기 드네 준서 드네 배마세도 자리 좀다 기능주 두자들 대여다 두지도
There's many some Tibetans there too, especially Tibetan monks. They have a little worse attitude towards us. 단다 바들라 통영가 니지사바드니 군용 매일까 여러와 저절에 사히데스 나르치다스.
야. 그거서 대녀다데 차야데 다다기 녀다데 차야데 지도그 저거 로니 차바래.
It's almost became emergency start from 1996.
데네 지도그 저거 로니 데네 금반노니 데네 차와 당 메모에서 수지를 데네 도지 쇼데 데모 초는 팀하고 된 처제는 나와 데네 마버지 메모가 share.
And many big meetings, and the Dalai Lama announced that you are not allowed practice Dorje Shugden. He did that in a monastery and other locations.
드네 들어가기 다른 산다다 안에 그 맞지요. 뒤는 최종 도지 쇼데 거다 다 취지에 배차들은 뭐지요. 그래서 차동을 전하는 마요. 메타도 대저 갈 때는 메모도 샤로자 되지.
And also they did the Nand monastery in Dharamsala. They have Dorje Shugden statue and the literatures, books and prayers, and they destroyed that, dragged down the statue to the street, and people danced on the top, and they had a big public denounce deity.
드네 상자 드네 대 드네 제대 달래 라마가 드네 대는 하죠 드네 대배 마트비 야버려.
Dalai Lama really posed that that's what we're going to do. He showed, he asked him to continue to do that.
드네 메모 처마 근바이나래 메모에나래 처마 드네 컨트롤 뺐다. 도체 버려서 나와 도체.
He also said that we'll take example, which is this. That's how we can destroy the Dorje Shugden and his followers.
드네 전체 대라 때나 근바나네 잡아 먹지.
Many monks, because of that reason, many monks received beating, public beating, and expelled from the monastery.
근데 로다는 차이점이다. 로다 보게 돼서 뭐부지 동양에 강세거나 로다 보게 예매기 근데 보게 돼서라. 근데 접속해. 근데 뒤로 돼서 we 한국어 도와를 된 지마동 들으게 이제 대마타지.
And all of the Tibet public school everywhere harassed kids for the people who practice Dorje Shugden. Other kids continue harassing they're ripping their clothes, and even pee in their shoes. It made it impossible to even kids to stay in school. Many students have to quit and go away because the harassment is so bad. They're almost like in jail. And also they continue to harass anybody who remaining, said, oh, you must have a lot of money from Chinese, you're the enemy of people. So kids was harassed, so it became impossible to stay in school and continue education. And also the teacher urged to not social with Shugden people. Many people are asking the teacher, please don't take on kids. But then the teacher denies it, oh, the kids didn't do themselves, we didn't never urge it. But in reality, the teacher was the who doing all this from policy from his organization. For example, on the Hongsu or Tibetan settlement, there's one old lady who was practiced, and he like monks and lay people came and throw trash their houses and beat the lady up because she had a Dorje Shugden statue. Her name is Tiji, so she had to run out of that settlement, and now is living in under the Shagandin. There is Dorje Shugden. There's more people there. They have to run, basically take a refugee there.
Then the Tagari Tata Shilaya, Shilan said that when he tried to do. You did not more chimes. Chimes, the Choat strong, Choat the strong, the Choat the Pombo Pombo could do, but the red chitty show ya, the name chitty churro, haha, the game of gate, and it chili you.
And also in Shillong, there's one of our Dorje Shugden practitioners have a death, which is her husband died, and many Dalai Lama people are calling them dogs. Or now today is dogs dead, so they're dragging their bodies away, sort of they threatening and harassing them. That's Chimney.
They made Smith. The near Trant and the New Chicken, Color New Chicken. But they did she made it of a Bijaja, Timamo.
So even you go to town shopping to even Indian places, and many Tibetan came harassing, pushing and beat it up. That many it became so impossible to stay in that settlement area.
The legend that the Tata Kamani, the Nepal Mobile, the Nijaga Minjula, that Wakasaka Mobishra.
This is just two examples that how they harassed, but there's many other places, Nepal and Tibetan settlement area that you just countless.
The Penny say you need that Sabayurwa. The two Penny Yundu, Tata Tata Nelly, 어디는 다뭐 그네 요데 토자라. 토자데 드네 치료도 파이카네 파이 차도도 담네 다도 주조 때니 찾아도 와이나 드네 코도라 드네 다도 도지 휴데 메테스나 나치 토지도를 마도 드네 로사이 마레 드르지.
And then the new refugees arriving from Tibet into Nepal. There's Dalai Lama's government or this. Actually, UN set up this, except working by Dalai's people. Reception. It's funded by High Commission Refugee. And then they search if they where they came from is the Dorje Shugden area, like in Chamdo or Chanting or Dorpa or on any other Tibetan section. They say you must sign denounce Dorje Shugden or you're not allowed to go entering to refugee camp.
The region in Nepal and the Tilla Tasamala many sentences the Niki Kamata around Palo.
Many, at least 20 or 30 people, they returned back to Chinese because they not allowed to enter.
They penny say on you, up in the June or part of the June or
because some of them escaped from Tibet, now they have to go back, then Cotton border, and many of them is in jail. That's the reason we continue staying there, working, and try to expose this and solve their problem.
The data in the Kazuni chart and the Tari and the Tibet Jidagabati Tiba Tiba Georgia and Tiba Nikitaji about the Yamachel Koranto Son Susoa.
For example, just recently they have a meeting in the Dharamsala for 18th to 28th for what they call parliament meetings.
Koranto Ki, Kar, this Tadon, the Solar, dans les checks que j'ai attends tenez désolé de ne pas faire le dans les checks que vous ne courant que tenez sans le tout big to dans tenez mémoire de
now they on their meeting they urging so we must confront the Dorje Shugden people more harshly and more strongly, and they urging to the public to continue and more harshly.
Then it ran again that bill no la Dalai Lama key, then it Pesha Toya, then it Legoya, Ijatoya, the region of bill no la, then it Gumba in a red, Mimo in a red, Tino, Yoda Mobiti Chan, Siri Mobu.
And also Dalai Lama sending a lot of money and a lot of documents to the Tibet, inside the Tibet. And he making very difficult Tibetans who are living in Tibet, making them fight each other. Many occasions people got murdered as a result of that.